Hello dear friends, welcome for another video. We got some feedbacks after the last video that some cannot get the banana flour easily so that they can try the recipe. Here is another recipe without using the banana flour. We need 4 ingredients to complete this recipe. The first one you see is an avocado seed. There are several ways in which avocado seed is useful in our lives, from food to herbals. Today we show you a new way to use this seed. Before I give you some instruction on how to use, let's watch how to prepare every ingredients we need. The second thing we need is a carrot. We always have carrots in our kitchens and is easy to access in several areas. The next step in the preparation of this recipe is frying the two using castor oil. Kindly note that we have no experience using other oils in this recipe. If you would like to try it, get a castor oil. Fry grated the avocado seed for about 2 minutes before adding the carrot. Fry until the recipe turns brown in color. Then drain the oil while it is still hot. Be careful with the hot oil as you drain. As soon as possible while the oil is still hot, add the ripe and fresh neem seeds. Crush the seeds into oil using a spoon or anything which is safe to use for you. Then drain again to get the final oil we need. This is the oil you need to use to rub that part to try improving the size. Use it 3 to 4 times a week for 4 weeks. Personally, I do not like when it's too small, and most ladies may not tell you, but that is the truth. If you have any question, please do not hesitate to type in the comments below or contact me via the channel email contact. Thank you for watching. I love you.